I'm practicing my home run swing for spring training today on AppJudgment. This episode of AppJudgment is brought to you by Squarespace. Welcome to AppJudgment, Revision 3's mobile phone application review show. My name is Ron Richards, and I'm so excited because it's the most wonderful time of the year, spring training. That's right, football's finally come to an end, and we can turn our attention to America's pastime, baseball. With pitchers and catchers already reported to spring training and exhibition games on the horizon, I thought it'd be a good time to check out a baseball video game for my Android phone. Homerun Battle 3D was developed by Come To Us, and there's a free version in the Android marketplace, as well as a $4.99 version that has a bit more features. Homerun Battle 3D takes the core of one of the most fun aspects of baseball and turns it into a game, hitting home runs. Modeled after the Home Run Derby, the game is simple. You're the batter, all you need to do is hit the ball and try to hit a home run. Pretty simple. Homerun Battle 3D takes advantage of the accelerometer in your phone and makes the interface for gameplay really cool. You tilt your phone to move the white target to place where you want the batter to swing. Wait for your pitch, then tap anywhere on the screen and pray that you connect with the pitch. You've got 10 outs to connect with a hit, and what's really cool is that you still get points for hits that don't make it out of the yard. Anytime you get a hit, you get points based on the distance of that hit. As the game progresses, occasionally you get the opportunity for bonuses. Before the pitch, you may see an icon for 3 baseballs, which means 3 times the points if you hit it, or a gold ball, which if you hit as a home run, adds to your gold ball amounts. By collecting gold balls, they act as currency that you can use to buy customizations for your character. You can get different uniforms or equipment to give your character a personal touch. So it seems like this game is pretty simple, just hitting home runs. But after the break, I'll tell you how it's even cooler than that.
AppJudgment is brought to you by Squarespace. Squarespace is a publishing system for anyone looking to build a cool website, whether it's a blog, portfolio, a video site, whatever. And now you can manage your entire Squarespace site on the go with the new Squarespace iPhone app. You can post and edit blog entries, upload pictures on the fly, manage content, and access your site statistics all on your phone. Try Squarespace today for free with a 14-day trial. If you decide to purchase, use the code AppJudgment to get 10% off your order.
So after playing Homerun Battle 3D for a little bit, and even being a big baseball fan, it got a little boring, until I realized what makes this game special. Not only does Homerun Battle 3D support multiplayer, so you can play against a real person on another phone anywhere in the world, but it works cross-platform, so if your friend has it installed on their iPhone, you can play them. They even have a cool picture-in-picture mode so you can see what the other user is doing. Unfortunately, this game is a monster in terms of memory. Not only was it an over 20 meg download, but it takes up a ton of memory to run. So much so that they disabled the picture-in-picture mode on Gen 1 phones like the G1. With the free version, you can play in the arcade mode where you hit home runs by yourself, as well as the matchup multiplayer mode. They do warn you of the data that will be transferred while playing multiplayer though. Once you choose matchup mode, you can choose a channel to play in with pitchers' varying skills. When you enter the channel, you can choose to play someone you already know, or just enter a quick match, which matches you up with another opponent somewhere out in the world. The challenge is to hit as many balls as you can to move your progress bar along. The first one to finish wins. The paid version gives you 4 different gameplay modes, including infinite modes for the matchup and arcade mode, as well as a training mode. In addition to that, it gives you 300 gold balls to start with, and increases the frequency of gold balls thrown at you. The addition of multiplayer, as well as the bonus ball modes, keeps Homerun Battle 3D from getting repetitive and boring, and makes every time you play it a blast. The graphics on Homerun Battle 3D are awesome. Using the phone as part of the gameplay interface is super cool. Throw in the cross-platform multiplayer support and the economy to earn credits to customize my player makes this game so much fun. Be warned though, it's a huge download. I had to delete a bunch of apps to accommodate it, and the game runs sluggish on older phones. Also, the game can get repetitive as all you're doing is hitting baseballs over and over again. That said, download this game. If you like baseball and a fun arcade-type game to pass the time, then Homerun Battle 3D is the perfect way to get excited for the upcoming baseball season. Playing with others is always more fun, so the expansion into multiplayer and the ability to play people with iPhones make this even more fun. And better yet, you can snag the free version and get a ton of enjoyment out of it. Any other baseball games I should check out on Android? Let me know and email me at appjudgment@revision3.com, or check us out on the internet at Facebook, on Twitter, or at YouTube. And you can always subscribe over on our homepage at revision3.com/appjudgment. I'm Ron Richards, this is AppJudgment, and I can't wait for opening day.